Kasama natin ngayon sila si Liwaliw TV at saka si Traveler. Ayan.
RT Traveler.
So dito kami ngayon sa motocross ng dito. Ayan. So
Baler.
ayun sa Baler.
Enjoy kayo guys.
Pakilala naman kayo.
Hi, Liwaliw RT Traveler.
Paki-follow po sila and subscribe sa kanilang mga channel at sa kanilang mga
Pa-support
page.
mga idol.
Ayan.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my